We're going to look at the acceleration of this bus. We're going to do it with the spark timer. So I have some spark timer tape. It's actually paper with some electrical conductivity material on it. I'm going to take the tape and I'm going to tape it to the bus. But for the bus, it's important to understand the bus doesn't have an on-off switch. So when you wind it back and let it go, it takes off. So I'm going to start by taking the bus about 2 feet away and wind it back to the spark timer until I hear that click. Now I'm going to tape it to the bus, tape the spark timer tape there. I'm going to make sure this is set on 10 hertz, and then I'll turn on the power. And now I'll let go of the bus. Okay. Now I take a look at the spark timer tape, and there's a little smudge here which I'm going to ignore. So I'll just mark that out. And I'm going to begin by making marks where the little dots in the spark timer tape are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on this piece I get to 9. Now I'm going to number the pieces. If you don't have 10 on this, it's okay. 8 or 9 is sufficient. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, actually I don't have a 9th because that isn't long enough. So I have 8. Next I'm going to measure the length in centimeters between each set of markings. I have 2.7, 4.9 for number 2, 6.9 for number 3, 8.9 for number 4, 11.1 for number 5, 13.0 for number 6, 14.8 for number 7, and 16.6 for number 8. And again, that's as far as I can go, and that's okay. So now I'm going to take these numbers and transcribe them into my table, making sure to have a spot for 0 as well.